Morning guys. Let's eat. Meron tayong pansit canton and then pinay chambang luto ng ano. Ano tawag dito sa gulay na to? Bagyo pechay?
Pechay bag.
Pechay. Binaliktad lang ba? Kain.
Alam mo, yung pechay bag na yan,
Saan ka?
ano, mas masarap yung ginagawa mo yung ano, yung sa Chinese ba? Yung may kulay orange. Yung binububura
Kimchi.
na si kimchi.
Sarap talaga yun. Nakalasan ako ng... Pero mas masarap ako. Sorry. Ay, gawin.
Ano,
Naka-video pa lang ako. 11:35.
11:36.
Wala ko init. Ganito ako. Sarap na sarap akong kumain pag yung gulay na walang kahalo-halo. Pansit canton.
That's not right. You're lying. Noah Walker, I know you don't want to let go of the welcome status you gained, but Sir really doesn't want you to be with Sophia. In the future, take good care of my daughter and granddaughter and the hospital. Sir already approved of our relationship. Noah Walker, Sir is indeed in a coma.
Bili nga akong beda para makatulog ako. Nakakatulog ba yung Mami Jenny?
I'm going to the hospital. You can go to the hospital. But you must have gotten touch with him first. Grandma, he's the father of my child. Your father has been hospitalized because of you. Are you going to continue being so foolish? Grandma, with no education, he's qualified to say it's all
Mapis.
true. Sophia, in Kiosui, highly educated people are not uncommon. What matters is experience. Why don't we let Noah tell us himself if he has any corporate work
Tulog na siya.
experience? After graduation, I did odd jobs, like construction work. All directors have heard it. To be blunt, Noah Walker is just a construction worker. If he stays to lead Johnson, everyone in the group will become the laughing stock of Yosui. What are you trying to do? Sophia, just now, Grandma has given me her shares, and your father's shares as well. Now they're all mine. The shares I hold equal yours. I have the right to help the company clean house. Responsible. You've made your father so upset already. Are you trying to anger me to death too? Grandma, you and father may not understand Noah. He's actually I understand this loser. You want to defend this loser? Fine. I will stop you. But you should be give up the gentleman position. From now on, Henry will replace you as the new chairman of the Johnson Group. I don't agree. Whether you agree or not isn't up. Don't forget, Henry's shares now are equal to yours 50-50. Distinguished directors, you're all veteran figures in our group. I believe you clearly know who should be chosen as chairman to ensure the group's best development. The chairman position requires careful consideration. What did you say? The Turner Group's madam is coming to the Johnson Group? Is everything ready? All preparations are complete. After Madam makes the public announcement, John Masters will become a Turner Group's new heir. Speed up. I need to reach the Johnson Group as quickly as possible.
As quickly as possible.
The Johnsons are just a small-time family. How could they possibly entice you to visit? You don't understand. There are certain people in the Johnson family who look down on my son. You're talking about Madam Johnson? Doesn't matter who they are. None of them have the right to look down on my son. Today, I'll make the Johnson family understand
Yes, madam.
Are you saying that the Madam of Eternity Group is coming here personally?
It's absolutely true. How is that possible? The Madam of Eternity has always kept a low profile. She avoids public
That's
appearances.
right. I've also heard that many years
Kuha akong rice, guys.
That's right. Many
Kumuha ko
years
ng rice,
ago,
guys.
There was an earthquake in our village. My parents were trapped under the collapsed house. It was the rescue team who saved me and took me to the orphanage. If it's not him, who else could it be? That's right. Now, I've never heard of anyone being an orphan. I remember Master Johnson was also an orphan, wasn't he? I'm always felt that I was different from others. Could it be that Nana was looking for me? Yes, it must be Master Johnson.
When Master Johnson was adopted by the Johnson family, I always thought he was extraordinary. So it turns out he's actually a Eternity Group lost mafia master. It's you?
All these years, I've been searching for my own family. Never did I imagine that they were far away yet right before my eyes. Congratulations, Master Johnson, on your return to
Wow, gulay.
Master Johnson in the future. You will look after yourself. Rest assured, everyone, I'll do my best to support you all.
I've always considered you my savior. Little did I know, you'd also be our family's blessing. You must take good care of our Johnson.
It's not that I don't want to help the Johnson Group right now. I'm not chairman of Johnson Group yet. If I interfere in Johnson Group's affairs, others might think I'm overstepping.
Ay, kutsara ko ba?
Standing there for. Hurry up and hand over the chairman position.
Holy Madam, you're sucking up to Eternal Group and erasing Sophie's contributions to Johnson Group. That doesn't seem right. You're just a pretty boy. What right do you have to speak here? If it weren't for you, our CEO would have married the eldest son of Eternal Group long ago.
Nobody came from the orphanage. Yes, the difference between you is so vast. Do you see now? Let me hold it. I support Master Johnson.
I support him too.
And me. Now, I hereby announce the president, Henry, is the new chairman of Johnson Group. Madam has arrived. Madam has arrived.
Mom, why are you here?
I think my daughter-in-law's work environment. Is that not allowed? Of course you will.
Oh, but Mom, your house.
My health is much better now. Oh, what?
She's no longer some doctor, mother.
I'm also your adopted mother.